Hi guys, I come back I've got 2 perfumes. Box in must papa my video thing had it. I want to know what good tricky good tails. This is I'll open this one the last, and then this is a dupe, right? Yeah, almost hot. Versace on the floor. Yeah. So let's open the first one. I'll get the first one fast because I don't want the video to be long. So yeah. This is how the box is. And the inside of the box. Oh, it's really long. And this is how. I hear got balance, but anyway. This is how it is on the back of it. So it's mandatory for the smell chest. And then before you smell it, shake it off. Come on, that's a wait. How come? It smells very nice. Impressed. And then the last one. This one packaging I think is a bit dramatic. Let's just get it out of the way. So this is the front and the back side, and this is how you open it. Oh, it's kind of nice. So it's all inside of the package. And now let's smell. It smells so nice. This one smells nice. Yeah, man. And these are the 2 perfumes. Get a killer buns here. Killer buns. And then, yeah, that's it for today. And I'll see you guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We were unprepared to just get here to see you. Very nice. The lighting is very nice, but I just wanted to do my intro here because I don't know why I forgot. But sorry for the noise. On time, we are here before 5 o'clock. That's a good sign. Looks a little bit ashy, but yeah, nothing too hectic. So, but I got a nice page here because the sun is setting, and then we are off. Love you guys, and see you on the other side.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You fucking warm with my heart, just think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard.
I come back. We are from the Bafana game. Very nice. It was very nice. By the way, we filled the stadium here in Bloem. So yeah, by that, you know. But I enjoyed myself how bad. So I'm just gonna take off my clothes, get something to eat, and show you TV. I'll see you guys the next day. Toodles.
2,000 years later.
I am so late for church. Stadium in his Akakali Lambe. It is the same with
Order 306. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
lips look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
it's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you do what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, cause the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just meet me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no plan. You acting kinda shady.
leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how like Michael it's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we about to slide.
And yes, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for those that are keep on subscribing, and please let's engage in the comment section. Let me know what you guys would like to see. Anyway, skin is glowing, as you can see. It's so beautiful, but I'm a bit tired. Sorry that this vlog came out so late, because if you put one into one together, the dates are so far apart. I'm trying my best, but yeah. Also, love you guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. See you guys on the next video. Bye. I know you're somewhere